So friends, here are 30 basic Spanish to English sentences for beginners. Let's begin. Hola, hello. Leche, it means milk. Gracias, thank you. Por favor, it means please. Nunca, never. Rey, it means king. Madre, it means mother. Perro, dog. Amo, love. Sí means yes. Sábado, Saturday. Estoy bien, I'm fine. Número, number. Tía, aunt. Actriz, it means actress. Y, it means and. Manzana, it's apple. Precio, it means price. ¿Cuál es tu favorito? Which is your favorite? Four, it means cuatro. No ores, don't cry. ¿Quién eres? Who are you? Buenos días, good morning. Es muy fácil, it's very easy. Hoy es domingo, today is Sunday. ¿Dónde vives? Where do you live? Libros, books. Tengo un carro, I have a car. ¿Quién es él? Who is he? ¿Cómo estás? How are you? And now don't forget to subscribe this channel for second part.